Hey guys, LegalLockPicker here, and today I am going to open a package here from UK Lockpickers over in the UK. Now I ordered some items from them a little while ago, and this is the second package that showed up on the doorstep. So we're going to open it and find out what's inside. And the truth is, I really don't know what's exactly inside of it. So it's going to be interesting to do that. So let's just get into that right now and see what happens, shall we? I did have a video up for Free Pick Friday. Unfortunately, something prevented me from putting it online. So we'll get to that later. And if anybody is on the lockpicking forum on Reddit, I'm sure by now you've seen that Sparrows, or lockpicking lawyer, what he did was he posted he's been contacted a ton for the new disc detainer pick that he came up with, what's his name, Bosnian Bill. So there's an update on there if you guys want to check that out as well. I'm always excited for new tools and stuff like that, so. Okay. So the first thing we've got here are these gnarly stickers. Check that out, huh? I love having the stickers here, especially if you follow me on Instagram. Whenever I'm posting material up for somebody's pick or business or whoever it is that's getting checked out that day, I like being able to show people where I got them from. It would only be fair, right? Alright, so just throw that. See what we got, huh? Jesus Christ. Alright, so the first thing here is I'm not sure what this is. It does say Honest Locksmith on it. I'm sure it's gonna be okay, so these are the Honest dimple picks here. If you're familiar with the types of picks they have, they are very well known for their... See, none of these are precision picks. These aren't meant for single pin picking. What they're meant to do is... Let me get Old Glory out. This is a really bad example, but yeah, this is a horrible example because this won't fit in there. But the idea is to put it in and pull it out and pull it in and pull it out. And again, horrible example, but I think you get the idea. Alright. So I'm going to get a chance to go over all these things. It is not going to be in today's video. However, it is coming. Holy... Oh, you've outdone yourself, my friend. I can't... He sent, I can see, you can see that it's an ERA Viscount 5 lever door lock. I think this was sent because I'm actually going into the lever lock picking series. I'm going to be putting how-to videos up, and a lot of the work, the hard work that's been done has been by Lock Noob, and I know Matt's Lock Picks, he's another one. Andy Mack, he's another one. All these guys have put in the time, the energy, and hopefully I can build off of that in a positive way and give them credit where credit is due. And of course, more stickers. I love them. I'm an adult who loves stickers. You can take that to the bank. And This is a Silverline C. This is a lever lock, or excuse me, yes, it's an Old English padlock here. I collect these, and again, that's another thing that's going to go into my picking series. So again, really awesome. Thank you so much. This is great. This is just great. Okay, let's see what's in here. Ah, another one. All right. Okay. I'm not. Okay, so this is actually an ERA. Oh, this is one of those keys that's been cut down to anchor, and then he sent me the wires that go along with it. Wow. Okay, so first off, thank you. And second of all, when I get time to actually start this series, which I can't wait to do because this is just incredible, but so much of my time has been going into the custom lock picking week. It's seriously, I thought I could do it in a month, and it's been 2 months now. Things are dragging on, but I promise it's worth the wait. This is incredible. I can't tell you how much I appreciate this. And whoop. And so, okay, I'm gonna get into this in a later video, but right now, this is all the, this is all the stuff he sent me. Oh, thank you. I can't tell you how much I appreciate that, and I truly mean that too. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for sending this, UKLP. I appreciate it, brother. I am definitely going to get into all this. We're going to get more videos out there. We're definitely going to dig a little deeper. And I just appreciate it because this is actually a very nice haul of things here. So this is definitely going to help me get started and situated. So feel free to contact me with any questions and comments about the video you see here or any of my videos. Likewise, if you have any ideas for future videos and would like to suggest a lock picking tool or have something you'd like for me to review, feel free to contact me with the information provided below. If you like this video and want to see more of my upcoming videos, please subscribe, like, and definitely share them. Check me out on LegalLockPicker on Instagram. Have a great day, guys.